We've been in a drought for about a month now, and it looks like there's no rain in sight, maybe a couple more weeks, and that's really going to cause some problems for our plants. But if you're lucky enough to have some of those drought-tolerant plants, they can stand up to these times with no rain. And one of those plants, speaking of rain, is called rain of gold, also known as thryallis. Now this is a semi-tropical evergreen perennial, and it's not too commonly found, but it is definitely a plant with potential. Again, like I said, can stand up to drought once it's established. It is ever blooming and evergreen. However, if we have a hard freeze, this will die back to the ground, but it is cold hardy and will come back from its roots. And it just produces all these beautiful yellow flowers. It will continue to bloom, and it gets about 3 to 4 foot in height. It can get much taller depending on if it lasts through the winter. It can get up to 9 feet in height. And look how it pairs so well with this Shoal Creek vitex in the background, just that purple and gold for you. And you can see the bees are pollinating, and they just really love all these profuse blooms. There's a lot of profuse blooms. And how beautiful would this be in a cut flower arrangement? All these delicate petite flowers on this beautiful evergreen shrub. So look for this beautiful thryallis, rain of gold, or get a cutting from your friends. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.